Kwarite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Hōrake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time, Mr. Daddy Longlegs rolling up to the ceiling. The sun it shines, the sun it shines, the sun it shines. Oh, Mama, Papa say you should go to school, learning so much fun. Can't wait to grow up and see the world with my own eyes. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Tama! Jojo! Anika! Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time, what's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Tēnā koutou. Welcome to our whare. Ko mai a tōku ingoa.
I'm Tama.
I'm Wolfie.
I'm Orma. And we are the Toy Time whānau.
Oh, Taihua, someone's missing.
I think you're right, Tama. Can you guess who's missing? Yes, it's our friend Jojo.
Jojo!
Jojo, are you there? Coming. Oh, coming.
Oh, where? Let me help you, Jojo.
Thanks.
Whoa. Oh, what have you got here?
Oh, it's all for today's show. I'm so excited.
But Jojo, why do you have all of this recycling?
Because today's show is all about hangarua, reusing and recycling.
Yay! I love recycling.
I love reusing things.
Oh, hey, what's the difference between reusing and recycling?
Let's ask. Hey, Mohio.
Tēnā koutou, how can I help you today?
Mohio, what's the difference between reusing something and recycling it?
Reusing is where you use an item again and again, like a drink bottle. Recycling takes rubbish and turns it into something new that we can use.
Something new. I've got a great idea. Thanks, Mohio. Who's ready for a recycling party?
Yeah!
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Sometimes you just want more, more, more. But ask yourself what it's for. Instead of things everywhere, where maybe we could all share. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Instead of throwing it away, use it or play with it again. share, share, reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Kia ora. I'm making something really cool today. Titiro. See this big rectangle-shaped box I found? It's got 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's called a rectangle. I've painted it kikorangi. It looks like the colour of the sky. It has to be really big to hold all the things it carries around. And I've painted this box whiro, like a fire truck. This is a square box, see? It's a square because it has 4 sides and they're all the same size. Can you guess what it's going to be yet? Karawe. Now I need to find some circle shapes. Aha! These porofita pango will be perfect. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Tahi, irua, ah. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Ah. So now it's got wira. How many wira can you count? Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Now, I've attached this bit to this bit. This is the cab, and this is the body of the truck. It's got windows in the cab so the driver can see where they're going. What kind of truck do you think it is? I forgot. There's one more thing. It's a taraka for hangarewa. It needs to be bright so everyone can see when it comes down the street. Okay, let's go collect the recycling. Recycling! Anyone got some recycling?
Oh, beautiful day to put the old recycling out there, Maya.
It sure is, Tama. Oh, morena.
Oh, morena, Maya.
Morena!
Oh, morena.
Kia ora.
Wow, Jojo, what have you got here?
This is my taraka hangarua, a recycling truck, and it's here to collect all your hangarua.
Anei.
Oh.
Stand back, korua. This could get te weka weka.
Oh, where?
All right, kapai. See you next week.
Thanks, Jojo. Oh, would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, yes. I'll just park my taraka out on the road. Beep,
All right.
beep, beep, beep.
Oh, Maya, can you take this one with you?
Sure thing, Tama.
Kia ora whānau, it's Buzz the Cuz here, back on another amazing mission. Do you know what happens to all the rubbish from your house? It comes to transfer stations like this. Look, they got excavators and loaders and forklifts that move all of your rubbish around. Come with me. Look, here comes a rubbish truck now. It could have come from your place. Did Did you know a lot of the stuff that you throw away can be reused and recycled? We've got bikes, scooters, cages, chairs, sinks, kitchen freezers. We've even got this thing. Check that out. Hongi. Yeah. Do you know what else your rubbish can be recycled into? Check it out. Holy cow! Do you know what it's made out of? Rubbish bins! There's so many ways to reuse and recycle. Check out this fence it's got. Made out of signs and crutches and walking sticks. It's even got a little ladybug here. Oh, cool. All these old posts. Let's head down this pathway. Oh, look at the ground here. It's made out of bottles and old bricks. So choice. What do we have here? What does this bike do? It looks like it powers this so I can water the garden. Let's try it out, eh? Oh, here we go. Check it out. It's a nare whana. Its trunk's made out of a pipe. Oh, I'll work on that one, whānau. Whoa. Whoa. You can even recycle your food. Feed it to the worms to make compost. And put the compost in your garden. Ka kite.
Look what I've got.
What are you going to do with all of this, Tama?
Well, I've been collecting it for a while now, and I wondered if you girls could help me recycle it.
Yeah, I know how to do that. You just have to check which bin you put your recycling into. Titiro. Plastic, glass, paper.
Cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids. Cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids. And paper boxes, cartons too. Cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids. Cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids. Cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids. And paper boxes, cartons too. Cans, bottles, jars and cans, bottles, jars and cans, bottles, jars and lids, jars and lids.
Hey, Jojo, what do you call a bear with no socks on?
I don't know. What do you call a bear with no socks on?
Barefoot.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Yodelaihi.
Yodelay, yoo-hoo.
Whoa! I didn't know you could yodel, Jojo.
What have you got there?
Well, I found these in the recycling bin, and I know a cool game we can play with them. It's called Milk Bottle Skittles, but all we need is a ball.
Oh, there's one in the playroom.
Perfect. Kia ora whānau, I'm Buzz, and this is Jojo, and welcome to our version of Skittles. Okay, cool. All right, Jojo, so we got to start off with 6 bottles, okay? And the way that I'll place them is we have 1 at the top, all right, 2 in the middle, and then 3 in the back, which makes a
Tapatoru.
a triangle. Okay, now I'm gonna try and knock down as many as I can. All right, here we go. I got them all down.
one, Buzz.
Okay, Jojo, you've got to have a go now. Oh, yeah. All right, luckily we got another ball behind my back. Watch this. Oh, go, Jojo.
Thanks, Buzz.
Jojo, you got tai, rua, tori, wha, rima. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, you're so good. Oh, Jojo, that's how it's done. Whānau.
Kia ora, tamariki ma. I'm Auntie Anika. Now, it's important to clean up after yourself, okay? So if you've been eating yummy kai, you've got to clean your dirty dishes so they can be used again. What's that? You don't know how to wash dishes? Well, fear not, brave tamariki. Stick with me. Auntie Anika will show you how it's done. Okay, all you need is a single tub of water. Nah, just jokes. Not too hot, not too cold. One of these dish scrubbers. Wow, cool. And dishwashing liquid. Whee! Okay. Oh, better put my gloves on. Yeah. Okay, let's do the dishes. I added heaps so that it gets really bubbly. This is so much fun. All done. Right, I'm off to sleep.
Where, oh, where can Oma be? Oh, under here? Oh, no. Over there? Oh, no. Oh! There you are, Oma! I found you!
You found me. Your turn, Wolfie.
Oh, yay!
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. Where, oh, where can Wolfie be? Under here? Nope. Over there? Nope. Round here. I found you.
Good one, Oma.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oti, our recycling is ready to be collected.
When is the real recycling truck coming?
I don't know. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, how can I help?
Kia ora, Mōhio. What day does the recycling truck come?
Our recycling comes on a Wednesday, the apa.
Ra apa? Oh, that's today.
Thanks, Mōhio. Let's keep a lookout for the recycling truck.
Kia ora tamariki mā, it's Auntie Anika here again. What day of the week does your recycling come? Mine comes on a Wednesday.
Let's go.
Rahina, Rahina, Rahina.
Monday,
Ratu, Ratu, Ratu.
Tuesday,
Rapa, Rapa, Rapa.
Wednesday,
Rapare, Rapare, Rapare.
Thursday,
Ramire,
Friday,
Raworoi, Ratapu.
Sunday.
These are the days of the week until Maori. Rahina, Rahina, Rahina.
Monday,
Ratu, Ratu, Ratu.
Tuesday,
Rapa, Rapa, Rapa.
Wednesday,
Rapare, Rapare, Rapare.
Thursday,
Ramere,
Friday,
Rapurui, Ratapu.
Sunday.
These are the days of the week, Tiro Maori. Rahina, Rahina, Rahina.
Monday,
Ratu, Ratu, Ratu.
Tuesday,
Rapa, Rapa, Rapa.
Wednesday,
Rapare, Rapare, Rapare.
Thursday,
Ramere,
Friday,
Raboroi, Ratapu.
Sunday.
Hope you enjoyed my days of the week at Tiro Maori.
Come in close. You're about to meet some very special Mōkai of mine.
What are they, Jojo?
I'll give you a clue. They're small and wriggly and they love dirt.
Small and wriggly, and they love dirt.
And they're a bit slimy too.
Okay, small, wriggly, they love dirt, and they're a bit slimy. Can you guess what's under the cover? Oh, good guess. Is it a worm, Jojo?
Aye.
Oh, look it!
It's a worm farm.
Oh,
Worms are cheap and easy to look after. They eat the things that you don't want, even eggshells and tea bags. They turn food waste into compost that can be used in the garden.
whoa. They're not the cuddliest or the cutest pet, but worms are very useful.
They sure are, Tama.
And the award for the best food recyclers in the world goes to the worms.
Ooh, I see one.
That one's Widdamoo. He's the wriggliest.
We're taking out the recycling bin.
Good job.
Push! It's really heavy.
like it when the driver honks the horn. The driver's saying hi. He's gonna collect our recycling. The big middle claw was grabbing the bin. It makes a big noise. Look! They're taking the recycling away to make it into new things.
Ko te wā pūrākau tēnei, and we just love story time! A, B, C, and D. A is for Aotearoa, says Nico and Jade's mum as they sip their chocolate milk. Nico draws a huge circle with a little leg. B is for... Jade thinks of words she knows beginning with B. Birthday, bed, believe, broom, beer. Let's try another letter. C is for... Oh, Jade thinks of words she knows beginning with C. Cat, car, cape, cakes. Caterpillar, whispers Nico in a very low caterpillar voice. Their mum smiles and says, very good. Now, let's think of what words start with D. Oh, we know, says Jade and Nico. Dancing. And after dinner, dancing begins as the family whirls around the lounge, which becomes a dance floor.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha e noho